Hello everyone, welcome back to the Angular Live project. In this video, we will design the student detail UI. So in the previous video, what we have seen, like when we log into the application, so let's log into the application and then what we created. So currently password is mismatched. So let's create 5. So when we log into the application and when we click on this more info, so this page is coming. So basically like what page we are expecting here. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and here it should be student details component. So let's take that student detail components first of all, student details component. So once I will save it and go to the browser and I refresh it. So we design like at first place we are getting student details and another place we have to see the student list works, and this is the back button which we created, and then we have to go to the back. So for that one we have designed the screen according to that one. So that design we can see here, like that is student detail component.html. So we are calling other two component from here and we have designed the back button here, and that back button we design according to this one. So now in this video what we will see, we will design our first in this video we will design our this HTML page, that is student detail page. So for that one what we have to do, first let's create a one service, and according to that what we have to do, we will design our form model. So let's go to the terminal, and inside this terminal what I'm going to create, I'm going to create a one service here, and that service name I will give as a student service. So that command we have to give is ng-gs, and I'm going to give as a inside the shared folder and student service. So I'm going to create as a student, so it will automatically append the service for us. So we can see here it is created a student service for us, and let's get rid of this testing file. Now what I will do, I will create a one model class inside this one. So what I'm going to do, new file, and I'm going to write it as a student detail dot ts file I'm going to create, and inside this ts what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a property like as a student detail property I'm going to take. So it contain information similar to that one, like student id, student name, address, and all these information. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make like I'm going to take that class inside the service, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to define all the value, like whatever the model I have taken here, I will initialize all the value here. So for that one let's put it here and take the respective namespace according to the student details. So let's take it. So for that one let's take this student details, and what I have done, whatever the property I have taken, I have initialized all those properties. So that's it from here. Now let's go to our like UI, and that is student detail UI HTML. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to design that one. So for time constraint I have already designed that thing, and I'm going to paste that UI here. So this is the UI which I have designed. So here you can see like I have used the reactive form, and here is the form, and I have created on submit button here, and according to that, like we created previously, similar to that we have designed this UI as well. And here we are taking all these things using the services form data dot student id. So similar to that we are taking. So for that what we have to do, we have to go into the respective component class, and in this component class what we have to do, we have to let's go to this component class, and inside the constructor what we have to do, we have to take that service, and the type of that service we have to take as a student service. So that we have to take, and let's copy the service name properly, so that will not be any mismatch with respect to the variables. Now next what we have to do, here we have taken on submit. So this we have to define inside the API, sorry, in this component class. So here we have to define this method Now this method contain the form, like you can see it contain the form, so that we have to pass inside this method. So let's define that is I'm going to take as a form, and this is ng form. So that method I have defined. Now let's compile this one and see like it is compiling successfully. So for that one we have to give the command as a ng serve. So let's give ng serve. So it will take few seconds to compile this. So we can see here now it is compiled successfully. Let's go to the browser, and in this browser let's give all the information. So dot and 1 2 3 4 5, let's click on login, and once we come here let's click on more info. So we can see here like it is giving like student name, address, and date of birth and the gender, all the required information we are looking here. And now next so in this video we have designed it properly. In the next video what we will do, we will design the student detail list. So that we will design in the next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you.